Hello everyone, welcome to our community call. My name is Shubham and I'm a community manager and host for today call. Today, uh, another important use case tutorial guide on how to create NFT Drop Dapp using Express Protocol SDK. So before jumping onto that, I would like to give you an overview about what is Pandora Finance, which is our main project, and its product Express Protocol. Without any delay, let's get started. Pandora Finance is a decentralized ecosystem that leverages the existing blockchain infrastructure with an aim to increase Web3 mass adoption while realizing interoperability and inducing liquidity to the multi asset classes within the NFT ecosystem. Moving forward to the community call, we want the Pandora community to grow stronger and build a seamless NFT economy. As you can see inside the Pandora ecosystem, there are two current main products. This one, Unity Market, which is an NFT indexer. You can discover, analyze all the NFT projects under a single dashboard. And our next product, which is a main Express Protocol, which is a one-stop solution to build NFT dApps, NFT Marketplace in a matter of minutes without any development cost. Moving forward to Express Protocol, as you can see, our mainnet is live. We are currently running on two chain, Binance and Polygon. So people, I know you are curious about because the second product is very interesting and what is Express Protocol? You want to know about more about it. So here it is. So Express Protocol is a product of Pandora Finance. It's an open source decentralized protocol enables anyone to create their own NFT marketplace or NFT DApp in a matter of minutes, just few lines of code at no development cost. Express Protocol SDK enable user or developer to create their own NFT marketplace, NFT dApps on chain like BNB and Polygon. Soon more chain will become up. But currently we are live on two chain, BNB and Polygon. Today we are going to talk about one of its feature called NFT Drop Dapps and how you can create your own NFT Drop Dapp Express Protocol. So let's get started. Today we have with Nitish, a professional and experienced developer. Hello Nitish, thank you so much for joining our today's session. Can you please introduce yourself and provide more information about what is an Express Protocol?
Thank you, Shubham. Hello, everyone. Good to see you all guys again. This is Nitish, and I'm working as a DevRel in Pandora Finance. And I've been working on Express Protocol since the start, and it's an amazing product for creating NFT dApps within minutes. So we are consistently developing the Express Protocol with the latest features in NFT ecosystem and NFT space, and working to make a better product for the community. So, if you guys having any doubts on Drop Dapp, you can just ask before getting started.
Briefly introduction about yourself and about the product under finance and Express Protocol. Before jumping directly to features, can you tell us more about what is a drop tab and what are the features of that?
Yeah, so Drop Dapp is acting like a normal tab, which we will have a minting function in it, and then the extra features that you have is like you can transfer the NFTs for the person that you wanted to by just giving the address of the person that you want to transfer it to, or else you can just expose a function called claim function that you wanted to integrate this Drop Dapp into your website. You can just simply expose this claim function to the button, and then if anyone wants to claim that NFT from your website, they can just click on claim button, and then that it can be claimed. So these are the many ways that you can use the Drop Dapp with Express Protocol. Yeah.
It's amazing. So there are so many use cases for the drop tab creation. And so without any delay, Nitish, can you just jump to your screen and can you show us like how you can create your own NFT drop tab on Express Protocol without any no development cost?
Yes. So before getting into the tutorial, let me just explain you some of the features of the Express protocol. So Express protocol is totally customizable. You just need to design your front end and set up your wallet and implement the multi-chain functions of our SDK and create an operating NFT marketplace or any tabs on top of Express within minutes. So that was one. So moreover, it is a completely open source platform. So Express Protocol believes in crucial aspect of being an open source storehouse, thus granting developers for accessing the information of and indexing NFTs or successfully realizing the vision of creating a DApp on their own. And it's also one of the exclusive features of Express Protocol is shared order book. So, shared order book will enables you to list asserts on 100 different other NFT marketplaces at the same time when you build using Express Protocol. In a easier way, what I can say is like if you are if you are minting an NFT in marketplace which is built on top of Express, you can view all NFTs in other marketplaces which are built on top of Express protocol. That gives you a massive cross market liquidity for your NFTs and your marketplaces also. And Express Protocol has a royalty payment standard for both minting and externally minted and protocol minted NFTs also. To support this ongoing funding for like for for the NFTs to be sold on top of like other protocols and platform other marketplaces also, but you can still retrieve the royalties from that. This is a gap for other marketplaces which are there like OpenSea and Rarible. Um, so in version 2, we are coming up with more enhanced features like cashless minting, staking, and more in our version 2. So stay tuned for that updates also. And our so zero development costs. So Express Protocol is completely open source, hence it will not cost you anything to make marketplaces or on top of Express Protocol. Besides the gas fee you will pay when you mint the NFTs. Yeah, so here's the thing. So let me tell you a secret, guys. Soon, you will not be required to pay the gas fee as well. So we are implementing Bioeconomy Maxi SDK, which will help you guys to mint the NFTs cashlessly. So there is nothing that you need to put to create a DApp or through minting also. So it is completely free. Yeah, so moving on, we are currently main on Binance and Polygon mainnet, and then this is the thing like so. After doing it for free, also, so we are not giving it for like it is not a white label marketplace. That means that you own your complete ownership of your marketplace, which is built on top of Express. So after all these features, we have built an user-friendly interface that can be easily accessible for non-developers. This is the triad section page where you can just go to the page and like connect your wallet, and then you can interact like you can interact with the apps that we have created here like this. Yeah, uh, so we have created user friendly documentation also for developer friendly documentation also, which you can explore. So here currently we are going to cover in this today's tutorial this drop tab that we have created here in the documentation. So without any further ado, let's get started. Uh, okay, so this in the previous community call, we have covered the NFT marketplace and auction marketplace creation. Like we have minted and sold the NFTs and put the NFTs on auction. So which was cool. And today we are going to learn even more cooler things like dropping the NFTs and transferring the NFTs for the people. Yeah, so the first thing that we are going to use NFT marketplace like NFT like for minting we'll use Pandora ERC 721 contract, and for we will use for transferring we'll use Pandora market contract. and we would you would require to connect wallet. So make sure you have MetaMask wallet installed in your browser. And then, yeah, before getting started, we need to have some prerequisites in your PC. So these are the prerequisites that we provided in the documentation, as you can see. So after having all these prerequisites, we can start building the project. So first thing that we need to do is to create a empty folder in your and then open it in your favorite editor. I'm doing it in VS Code right now. So I've created an empty folder called Drop Dapp and then opened it in VS Code. After doing that, the second thing that we need to do is we need to install all the required dependencies for our project. So these are the required dependencies here. So you just need to copy paste and uh, paste it in the terminal right here so that you can install all the dependencies. So so it will take a long time to install all these things. That's why I've created a folder, separate folder which is pre-built contract. So as you can see, this node modules which has been installed. Yeah, so after doing all these things, so we will end up installing all the dependencies that we have, and then next step is to make a front end which can interact with our SDK, so that we can like interact with a smart contract through that. So let's make an index.html file. So like this, I've made an index.html file in the project that we created, and then pasted the code that we have given provided here in the documentation. So you just need to copy paste the code that we have given here. So in this, after running into the live server, you can just see a page like this where you have two options here. The first option is to create an NFT by simply giving your token URI and clicking on mint function. And then the second one would be the transferring the NFTs for the people that you want, like by giving the receiver's address and the token ID, which is generated when you minting it. So these are one of the two features that we have used from our SDK. So there are plenty of other functions also that you can use. As you can see under SDK functions, if you wanted to use a different standard like ERC 115, you can do that also. And then check all these functions that we have already have in our smart contract, so that you can just simply click on it and then copy paste the like code in the document. So let us go back to the previous one. So after having this two front end ready, we need to create a file, main.js file, to write our JavaScript, to import our SDK, and expose all the required functions that we have, as I shown you right here. So we will make a main.js file in our project. As you can see, I've made it here. So I just copy pasted all the code that we have provided here. So I'll just explain you the each and every step here. So first thing that we did is like we imported our SDK. This is our SDK which we imported, and then it's a completely JavaScript file. And then the second thing what we did is like we have connected our wallet for the DApp. So for connecting our wallet for the DApp, we have done this process. And then after that, we just need to simply expose all the functions that we require. So the first functions that we have is like, as you can see, mint function, right? So we have copy pasted the mint function that we given and the provided in the doc, and then pasted it here. So it will take all the arguments that you pass it from the front end, and then it can talk to the smart contract from there. So, and then the second function that we have exposed is like transfer NFT function. This is one of the function that we have used in this. This will help you to transfer or drop the NFTs for the people that you want. You can you can send multiple NFTs for the people also by just creating an array on top of it. So like this, we have created like these two functions are required functions for our DApp right now. So we have exposed this, and then after creating this, we need to create an so JavaScript DOM for interacting, getting the parameters from the front end. So this is the JavaScript DOM that we have created, like that you can see it right here. We have provided that also in the documentation. So this DOM will help you to get the details from the front end and send us an arguments in the SDK so that it will interact with your smart contract. So after setting up these two files and installing all the dependencies, and we came to an end with the building part right now. So we after we'll just go back to the docs. So we need to run parcel index.html so that we can run our DApp and we'll start interacting with the DApp. Um, Let me just open terminal and then npx. Yes. So if you do that, you just saw here like we have run this whole app on our local host. You can just follow the link, and then you can see that we just created a app within minutes. So let me just open the console here. As you can see, it is showing it's connected. So my wallet is already connected for this project. So let me just go back to the Matic test network. So we will mint an NFT there. Yes. So you just created an NFT DApp within minutes right here. So as of now, not only this, if you wanted to use more functionalities also, you can just go to the SDK functions and like use all the functionalities that we have provided here. You can check out in the docs. The same way that I did in the HTML in the main.js file by simply pasting all the functions that we require. We can do that also. And then so we have created an like drop from our front end. So in the tryout section I have told you previously, so here we have created a DApp called NFT Drop. So you can see, so exactly like this you can create with your own front end. You can just upload the image and the name and the description for the NFT for minting, and you can set up your royalties also and properties for your NFT, and then the collection that you wanted to do. If you wanted to mint in a private collection, you can do that also. And then this is a transfer functions that we have in the backend and the RSDK, and then in the front end you can use it like this. So you can enter the token ID of the NFT that you have minted, and then address, and then you can send it to the person that you want his address, and then you can just do it. So like that, that was so here. So you can see. So so we just did like, so these are the true drops so that I have did previously with this. So you can see whatever the drops that I have did, you can just see here like this. And then I can if I want to send anyone, I can just type the zero, or like the token ID is zero right now. So you can just type there, and then token address you can find it here as here, like, and if by clicking on that you can just copy it. So like this, you can use numerous other functionalities of our Drop Dapp within the docs right here. Yeah. So we just have built a SDK, built a DApp on top of our SDK within minutes. So if you want to use numerous other functionalities like auction and bidding, or creating your own collection, you can check out these docs and check out our use cases, and we have created videos on top of each and every use cases here, so you can check the videos also. Yeah, so that is it, guys. We have created this tab within minutes. That was awesome. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing to see something like this, and like it's like from both the side, from developer point of view and non-developer point of view. So anyone can create now their NFT dApps, drop dApps, marketplace, auction marketplace on Express Protocol. If they are a developer, they can do with the codings, and if they are non-developer, they can go to Express Protocol website and do the try it out section and explore there about the things. Yeah. Thank you, Nitish. Thank you so much. It was such an insightful session, and I'm sure that our community members also felt the same. I realized how easy it is for everyone to create their own NFT drop Dapp using Express Protocol.
Yes.
So, people, like, I know some of you have so many doubts regarding drop Dapp. So, it's time for community question. So, does have any questions, doubts? They can speak or type question on space chat. If they want to raise a hand, they can do the same. And if they are likely to put it on space chat, they can do the same. Okay, so we got one question from Anna Scott. Why should I use Express Protocol SDK to create an NFT drop there instead of using any other SDK or building it myself? That's a lovely question.
Yeah, so there are more advantages if you are building on our protocol because we provide other features like shared order book and share royalty payment standards, and the we provide lots of new features that are coming up in the in the NFT space, so that your DApp can be updated like or up to date on onto the trend, and then these all features that you can't get and then we are completely free also. So there are more advantages for you to build on top of our platform than rather than other platforms like other platforms charging like 5% off every transaction or but creating a tab. So it could be much more cheaper for you guys to create NFT dApps or any kind of especially the drop app for you in our platform. Yes.
That's amazing. Like it's quite interesting that Express Protocol provides so many interesting benefits to its user. Yes, you have also got your answer, I think, Anna. So hurry up. What are you waiting for? Build your own drop app on Express Protocol. Okay, next question we got from Hand of Mindas. Nice name. Do I need to pay any development fee for using Express Protocol SDK?
No, no, you don't need to pay any development fee because we are completely open source and currently we are not charging any fees for creating an app on top of our platform. Yes.
Okay, so all knows that Express Protocol does not charge any development cost. Well, that's amazing. Okay, so we also got one more question from Naruto. Does Express Protocol SDK provide the functionality of transferring NFTs? If yes, then how much does it cost?
Yeah, so Express Protocol is currently like you can definitely transfer the NFTs using the transfer function that we have did right now in our tab. So definitely for transferring the NFT, the gas fee that you need to pay for the transaction would be there. Otherwise, if you wanted to use our by economy gasless minting and gasless transaction also, we can do that also. So for that, we are coming up with some other good features. So stay tuned for that also in for our version 2.
So I believe Naruto got you have got your answer. And also, if you guys have any more questions, you can put it on the space chat. You can raise your hand too. Okay, I think so. We are getting more questions. Okay, so Ronit Shoy, I'm not sure if I can drop complete NFT collection in one go. Kindly clear my doubt. Yes,
Yeah,
Nitish.
there is a possibility there. Like you can use batch minting and you can drop all the NFTs into their into a collection or private collection that you created. And then there is like you can drop the NFTs completely. We can do that also by creating a customizable function, like claiming function. If you wanted to keep your in your website a claim button where only whitelisted addresses can be claimed, so you can do that also. We are updating our drop tab soon with more features. You can use these all features like whitelisting addresses and claiming multiple claiming and you can set up the limit for the claiming also. These all extra features. So in the drop, so it would be more fun for you to create tabs on these all features and extra these all features on top of drop tab. Yes.
Okay, that's quite interesting. Albion got a question when I can drop my NFTs on existing marketplace. Why should I create my own NFT drop dapp? What's the point of benefit of creating it? Question, nice question.
So this is customizing your own way. Like if you wanted to put on your website, so you can't do it if you are doing it in other marketplace or anything. So if you wanted to keep your personalizing your drop or personalizing your connect collection, so you can just make your own private collection on top of this platform Express, and then you can just simply use our SDK and on the back end of your front end. So and then you can drop your NFTs through your website. So that is one flexibility that you are having where if you use our product. Yes. Yeah. Is there any other questions?
Yeah, so we got one more question from, like, there are two question more. Hand of Midas having a question. I've been following Pandora Finance and Express Protocol for quite a while, and now I'm curious to know when you guys are launching the Express Protocol version V2. Also, what's the new features it will offer?
Yeah, so we are launching Express Protocol version 2 soon, and some of the features are like batch minting and staking, and like you can as I told you, like we are upgrading the drop also. We are upgrading every DApp that we are having right now, and so we will come up with some more new features like Bioeconomy, gasless minting also. So there are we will soon update you guys with these all features in Discord. So stay tuned for that and check out our socials also for the updates.
It's look like everyone is excited about Express Protocol V2. So don't worry, guys. You guys going to be the first. Going to be like whenever we're going to announce on the social, you will be the first person going to see. So we'll be releasing soon version V2. Okay, so we've got one more question from Mapful on Vicent. So does Express Protocol SDK drop dapp supported on mobile devices?
Yeah, so this is in terms of like our SDK works is in JavaScript. So if your mobile device or app which can support JavaScript would be possible definitely. So but there are some limitations from the app side where you can connect your wallet or from that side. It definitely if you are crossing these all limitations, it would be definitely possible. Yes.
So it depends on the mobile device and the version of it, right?
It's the language. If it is JavaScript, they can use it.
Okay, quite interesting. Hardeep, I have one more question. Have you created any NFT drop tabs for individuals and organizations? Hello, Ish.
What? Can you please repeat it? I
Yeah,
sorry.
so yeah, it's totally fine. Have you created any NFT drop dapps for individuals and any organization or project, something
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that?
So we have created some dApps for like drop dApps for some companies like L Officials. It's a fashion week which happened. So we have created a drop for the winners, and then so the same thing goes to the Wagmi Cup cricket match which happened. We have created a drop for them so that people can come and like claim the NFTs, or we can drop or transfer the NFTs for the winners. Yeah, the we have did some partners like this.
Yeah, that's amazing. So we already have 9 projects who are using our drop dapps, and soon we'll be going to coming with more projects collaboration. Okay, so many questions we got. let's see if anyone have any doubts. They can raise the hand, they can speak up, they can also put their chat on a space chat. Let's wait if anyone have any sort of questions or not. Okay, so we got one more question from Albion, my more interesting dialect for double painting. Maybe. So will your tech team assist me in creating my NFT drop tab using Express Protocol?
Yeah, definitely. We are active on Discord right now. So if anything, you can just tag our dev team so that we can definitely help you guys go through the problems that you're facing.
Also, if you guys have any sort of doubt, question, you can raise the ticket on Discord server, as well as you can tag team. We have like they have the role for specific team member, so you can tag them. And so, why should you delay in development process? Kickstart your Express Protocol creation now. Okay, so like someone is typing now, so let's wait. Hope so many questions have like people are more interesting about the Express Protocol and NFT Drop Dapp. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for valuable feedback. Yeah, yeah. Anyone wants to ask the question, they can raise the hand or they can speak up. It's totally fine. Like if you have any doubts or something like that. Okay, so I think we got all the answers, got all the questions. And if someone have more doubts, they can like after the call they can also ask on the general chat, on Telegram, on Discord, anywhere like they have any questions, and our tech team and our supporter team will definitely help you with that. Once again, thank you so much, Nitish, for this wonderful session, and thank you so much everyone for joining our community call. Stay tuned for next update. Till then, you can join our social and do check out our complete walkthrough video on NFT Drop Dapp on YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the call.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.